Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on this L'Oreal Elnett Satin Hairspray. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this hairspray, then keep watching. So first off, I just want to let you guys know that I received this from Influenster. I got it for testing purposes only. I'm giving you guys my 100% honest opinion. You guys already know that I always tell you guys like my honest opinion. If you guys want to join Influenster, there's always a link in the description box, and I have a video that I will try to put in the description box as well, explaining to you guys what Influenster is, but I'm sure you guys already know because so many people are signed up with Influenster. So this is the box that it came in, and I saved this because I really like the box. I just thought it was very like fancy with the black and the gold. As you guys know, it always comes with a card. So this one says Elnett Satin Hairspray Precious Oil Hairspray, L'Oreal Paris. Elnett Precious Oil is specifically formulated for dry, damaged hair. Infused with a touch of argan oil, it softens, smooths, and adds shine. Long-lasting, brushable hold that disappears at the stroke of a brush, style and restyle away. So this is what the hairspray looks like. Just really nice gold with some purple like accents, I would say. And then up here is where you spray, and then right here, I have no idea if you're gonna be able to tell, is where the hairspray comes out. So on the back it says, "The finest hairspray used by the finest stylists. The legend of Elnett Satin, an iconic secret hairdressers worldwide have turned to Elnett for decades. Its ultra-fine mist leaves hair feeling clean with a soft, shiny finish and a satin touch. So strong, its hold lasts all day. So fine, it disappears at the stroke of the brush. The power of precious oil, Elnett Precious Oil Hairspray has been specifically formulated to soften, smooth, and add shine to dry, damaged hair, infused with luxurious touch of silky argan oil. How to use: remove the security tab." I think I still have the security tab on. I do. I just removed the security tab, and I've had this for like a month. Only me. Spray 12 inches away. Micro diffusion spray distributes mist evenly over hair, and for latest styles you can visit l'orealparis.com. So I always wondered what this little piece was, and I just found out it is the security tab, and right here I'm assuming is the security tab as well. So right here is the mist. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. I mean, it still sprayed about the same before as it did now, so this didn't really make like a huge difference with me accidentally leaving it on. I like this. I don't love it. It's a good hairspray. I really do like it for that. I really like that this hairspray is lightweight. You don't feel it, and it has an okay smell. The smell, this is gonna sound weird, reminds me of my aunt. I don't know. Yeah. But I feel like it does hold my hair nicely, especially like when I braid it. Sometimes I'll spray my hair when I straighten my hair just to like keep the little flyaways down. I will brush it out after that, and I do agree it does disappear a little bit. However, with curls is my biggest like deal breaker, because my hair, it's really hard for it to hold curls no matter what you do with it. The number one deal breaker for me is, can a hairspray hold a curl? And this one, it holds it, but by the end of the day, my curls, like, I'm going to say 80% of them will fall out. Like, that's just what happens. And I do kind of expect that because, again, my hair, for some reason, it just doesn't hold a curl. It never has, it never will. And with this hairspray, they don't really last. I really like this hairspray more for when I want to like really slick my hair back, or if I have braids in, or if I just want to spray my hair, if I have it like in a ponytail, or if my hair is straightened like I said before. So would I recommend this hairspray? And yes, I really would, because it doesn't give you that crunchy feeling that some hairsprays do. Even if you hold it close to your head, you're still not going to get that crunchy stuff that like some hairsprays give you. It is very lightweight. It has a nice smell if you don't spray it like a lot in your face like I did before. This hairspray holds all the flyaways down. It holds my ponytails, my messy buns, my top knots, my braids, my straight hair. Yes, I know I said it didn't hold my curls, but if you curl your hair, this might work for you. Just because it didn't work for my curls doesn't mean it might not work for your curls. My hair is just stubborn. So if you want to try and curl your hair with this, then go ahead. Let me know in the comments if it works, because I would love to, you know, hear your thoughts on it. And that is it for this review. I'm gonna have a lot more reviews coming up in the future, so make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Let me know in the comments down below, like, have you tried this hairspray? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Tell me what you think. If there's another hairspray that I should try, let me know in the comments down below as well. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow me on all my social media. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Go do that. The video for that is linked in the description box as well. And that is all I have to say. I did my outro in complete, like, jumbled order. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!